You know, a lot of people ask me why. Why Bishana's legacy? Well, let me tell you why Bishana's legacy. It's because number one, we put principles over profits. What we mean by this? We believe in loyalty, trust, respect. We believe that if you build people on those fundamentals and we start to show them how to lead in those fundamentals, it makes it easier for us to focus on different ways and techniques where we can inspire, educate, and motivate people. That's why Bishana's legacy. That's the reason why we're able to do great things for families. And with a great partnership that we have with HGI, is how we're able to provide not only financial services, but with also financial education, where we make every family in a position to where they can only have to pay attention. So that's why Bishana's legacy. And that's why we're here to inspire, educate, and motivate you. So the question you got to ask yourself is, can you be teachable, coachable, and reliable? And that's the reason why I'm expanding and I'm looking for like-minded people. And if you're someone that definitely want to come out here and crusade with us and help families and teach them the fundamentals of how to win with a proven system, a proven education platform, and that way we could provide great service to the community. That's the reason why I want you to become a part of our movement. That's why Bishana's legacy. Remember, build, lead, focus. See you at the top. Keep winning.